All right, today we're going to look at a lesson on mid-segment theorem. And the thing about a mid-segment is the first thing I want you to know, there are four conclusions, is that if I have a triangle that goes from here to here, I can locate the midpoint, and the midpoint, a mid-segment connects two midpoints. So that means this line segment and this line segment are equal. Separately, because there's two marks here, this line segment and this line segment would be equal. But the distance on the left and the distance on the right would not necessarily be the same. But if you connect two midpoints, or you have a segment that connects two midpoints, then you have something called a mid-segment. Okay? Now there's four conclusions I want you to know, or four things I want you to know, and that's the first one. So the first one is a mid-segment connects two midpoints in a triangle. So that means that you're going to have two pairs of equal lengths on each side of the triangle. The second thing I want you to notice is that we have arrows, and it's a very subtle thing, but those arrows are very important. Those arrows actually indicate that the two lines are parallel. So if you connect two mid-segments in a triangle, it turns out that that length, that mid-segment length, and the base length are parallel. So that's the second conclusion. All right. Again, the arrows in the picture demonstrate that. So a mid-segment is parallel to the base. The base being that bottom edge. Now, it can be a different place if it turns the sideways up. The next thing I want you to know is that we also have another conclusion. All right, and that is that this distance on the mid segment is half the length of the bottom distance.